Craving a delicious, healthy meal that's ready in just 30 minutes? Look no further than this easy baked salmon recipe. Packed with flavor and omega-3 fatty acids, this dish is perfect for busy weeknights or special occasions. Let's start with the ingredients. You'll need 4 salmon fillets, about 6 ounces each, olive oil, salt, black pepper, minced garlic, Italian herb seasoning, and a lemon. These simple ingredients come together to create a mouth-watering meal. Now, let's dive into the cooking process. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a large baking pan. Arrange the salmon fillets on the baking sheet and season them generously with salt and pepper. In a small bowl, mix together 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of Italian herb seasoning, and the juice from half a lemon. Spoon this flavorful mixture over the salmon fillets, making sure to coat the tops and sides completely. For an extra burst of citrus, thinly slice the remaining half of the lemon and place a slice on top of each fillet. Pop the baking sheet into the preheated oven and bake for 12 to 15 minutes. You'll know the salmon is done when it's opaque and flakes easily with a fork. For a slightly crispy top, you can broil the salmon for the last minute or 2. Here are some tips for perfectly baked salmon every time. First, don't overcook it. Salmon can quickly dry out, so keep a close eye on it. Second, if you're using salmon with the skin on, leave it on during cooking. The skin acts as a natural barrier, helping to keep the fish moist. Lastly, cooking at a gentle, low heat is the best way to ensure your salmon stays tender and juicy. Once your salmon is done, garnish it with some fresh thyme or parsley for a pop of color and added flavor. Serve it alongside your favorite vegetables or a crisp salad for a complete, nutritious meal. Not only is this baked salmon delicious, but it's also incredibly healthy. Salmon is an excellent source of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and various vitamins and minerals. It's low in calories and saturated fat, making it a heart-healthy choice for any diet. So there you have it, a simple, flavorful, and nutritious salmon dish that's sure to become a staple in your meal rotation. Enjoy your perfectly baked salmon